দিয়া করো এই দাসে গুণাপেক্ষা অতিহীন গুরুদেব কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া সকল বল দিয়া করো নিজ মানে সুহাই সকল সনে বল দিয়া করো নিজ মানে সুহাহীন সকল সহনে বল দিয়া করো নিজ মানে স্পৃহাহীন সকল সহনে বল দিয়া করো নিজ মানে স্পৃহাহীন দেব কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া করো এই দাসে গুণাপেক্ষা অতিহীন দেব কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া করো এই দাসে গুণাপেক্ষা অতিহীন সকলে সম্মান করিতে সকতি দেহনাথ যথাযথ 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 তবে তো গাইব হরিনাম সুখে অপরাধ হবে হত তবে তো গাইব হরিনাম সুখে অপরাধ হবে হত তবে তো গাইব হরিনাম সুখে অপরাধ হবে হত তবে তো গাইব হরিনাম সুখে হেন কৃপা লবিয়া এ জন দাস হইবে নাথ হেন কৃপা লবিয়া এ জন অতিবোধীন আমি অতি দীন চরমরে আত্মসাথ 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 কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া কর এই দাসে গুণাপেক্ষা অতিহীন গুরুদেব কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া কর এই দাসে গুণাপেক্ষা অতিহীন সকল সহনে বল দিয়া করো নিজ মানে সুহাহীন সকল সহনে বল দিয়া করো নিজ মানে সুহাহীন যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাই পাই তোমারও করুণা পারো 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 করুণা না হইলে কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া করুণা রাখিব আরো করুণা না হইলে কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া করুণা রাখিব আরো করুণা না হইলে কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া করুণা রাখিব আরো কৃপা
प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की इस्कॉन फाउंडर आचार्य श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की प्रभुपाद महाराज की शुभ आविर्भाव तिथि की जय। व्यास पूजा महामहोत्सव की जय। এইবারও করুণা করো বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর এইবারও করুণা করো বৈষ্ণব সাই प्रभु सेवा कोथा पाए मन दयाल प्रभु सेवा कोथा पाए गंगार परस हईले पश्चाते पावन गंगार परस करो এই তোমার গুণ দর্শন করো হরি স্থানে অপরাধে তারে হরি নাম হরি স্থানে অপরাধে নাই পরিত্রাণ তোমার নামে অপরাধে নাই পরিত্রাণ তোমার হৃদয় সদা গোবিন্দ রাম তোমার হৃদয় সদা গোবিন্দ এন মোর বৈষ্ণব পুরাণ গোবিন্দ এন মোর বৈষ্ণব পুরাণ প্রতি জন্মে করি আশা চরণীর ধূলি প্রতি জন্মে করি আশা নরোত্তম गौर प्रेमानंदे जयं विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक जगदाद्य श्रीमते श्री भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की जय। फाउंडर आचार्य श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की जय। जय विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद जी महाराज जी अनंत कोटि वैष्णववृंद की नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर जी प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत राधव शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की राधा कृष्ण गोपनाथ कुंड श्याम कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की वृंदावन धाम की जय। मथुरा धाम की जय। जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की जय। मायापुर नवद्वीप धाम की जय। गंगा माई की जय। जन्माई की जय। तुलसी देवी की जय। भक्ति देवी की जय। श्रीमती राधारानी की जय। हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। हरि नाम संकीर्तन की जय। प्रभुपाद की शुभ आविर्भाव तिथि की जय। प्रभुपाद की शुभ आविर्भाव तिथि की जय। व्यास पूजा महामहोत्सव की जय। व्यास पूजा महामहोत्सव की जय। समवेत भक्त वृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि बोल। All glory to assembled devotees. All glory to assembled devotees. All glory to assembled devotees. All glory Sri Guru Sri Gauranga. अंगज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनमीशं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं तदामयं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुर्वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादं सगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्तं। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकाकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावन्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य गौर तुझे नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर गौर भक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत Hare Rama Hori Hori, Hori Rama, Hori Rama, Rama Rama, Hori Hori.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Ananda Leela Maya Vigraha Yohima Vadibhyo Vishnu. Prabhupada Ji Maharaj Ki Jai. Confounder Acharya Srila Prabhupada Ji Maharaj Ki Jai. Srimate Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Ji Maharaj Ki Jai. Krishna Nidadana Gaura Nidadana Prasthadana Srila Prabhupada Ji Maharaj Ki Jai. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Yesterday we observed the holy appearance day, Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Supreme Personality of Godhead. And today we are observing the holy appearance day of our revered spiritual master, Sri Srimate Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Maharaj's holy appearance day. Krishna sends his own man, very dear devotee, very intimate devotee, Sri Srimate Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Maharaj, to this world just after the appearance day, his appearance day. When Nanda Maharaj is observing great festival for the appearance day of his beloved son, Sri Krishna, that very day his very dear devotee, his own man, very intimate devotee, has appeared. Such, you can understand why a Vaishnava comes here. What is the necessity? A Vaishnava is coming here. Sadhu, Vaishnava, Krishna's own men, they are always with Krishna. In that Satchidanandamaya Dham. But those who have gotten Krishna, they see Krishna samanda, only relationship of Krishna. Everybody, everything, every object is related to Krishna. Krishna is the only relationship, Krishna nitya samanda, eternal relationship. We have eternal, perfect, eternal, loving relationship with Krishna. Every body has, every jiva has. A complete Krishna conscious person, he sees it, he has this vision. Krishna is his most beloved. Krishna is the object of love. Krishna pranatma. Krishna is the, Lord of the heart. Such premi bhakta Vaishnava sees this thing. And he sees everything in relation to Krishna. Everything, everybody, jiva is related to Krishna. How can he tolerate? Krishna jiva will suffer. Krishna is my object of love. Krishna is most beloved. He cannot tolerate it. His heart bleeds, seeing the suffering of jivas, those who are related to Krishna. Because of their forgetfulness of Krishna, because of their break of Krishna consciousness, they are suffering. This is the only cause. It is not the cause. Very well. If Krishna consciousness will be inculcated unto them, they will develop Krishna consciousness, develop their lust consciousness, become complete Krishna conscious, no more suffering. There is no more suffering. They'll go back to body. Punarjanma naiti sammangeti Arjuna. Janma karmamchami divyam evam joveti tattvata tekva deham punarjanma naiti sammangeti Arjuna. In Gita, Krishna says, my appearance, my birth, my activities, the leelas are not material, transcendental. One who knows in Tattva, that will be his last birth here in this material world. Tyakta deham punarjananayati sammangiti Arjuna. After quitting his body, he will go back to body. Definitely, there is no doubt. He will go to me. No punarjana, no rebirth. He will never come back here again to this material world, the pancha, dukkhalaya, miserable platform. No more. Finished. This is the only thing required to inculcate Krishna consciousness. Thereby they are free from their suffering. They have been revolving the cycle of birth and death from time immemorial, transmigrating from one body to another. Lots of species. How? They are suffering. They done away with. Vaishnava knows. Krishna's dear devotee knows this thing. Yeah, that vision is seen. Therefore he comes here. He wanders here. Janasya Krishna Dyukhasya Daiva Dharma Shilasya So Dukitasya Anugrahaya Charanti Nunam Bhutani Bhavyani Janarjanasya. Bhagavad says. You have forgotten Krishna according to prarabdha karma. You have forgotten Krishna and you are wandering here in lots of spaces of life, suffering, applicating three tapas. Krishna's own man, very intimate person, is their devotee, comes here, wanders here in this material platform just to suffer his mercy on the suffering jivas and to inculcate Krishna consciousness. Thereby, there will be no suffering at all. For this purpose, they come and wander here. They are always there. If there not have been sun and moon here, how this world will go on? Similarly, there would not have been such dear devotees and devotees of Krishna, sadhu. How Krishna world will go on? Impossible. They are always there. We have no vision. We have no vision to see them. We are devoid of a vision. Therefore we cannot see them. The sadhus. You cannot see sadhu through your material eye, vision. No. They are not material beings. How can you see them? How can you see Lord Krishna? You cannot see them with the material eye. Premanjana Surita Bhakti Vilochane. If you are endowed with Bhakti Chakshya, devotional eye, ornament of love is smeared on your eyes, then you can see Lord. How is that? Jahan netra pade, tahan Krishna spade. Wherever you look, you see Krishna. Yes, Krishna is there. Similarly, how can you see his dear devotee? Sadhu Vaishnava Mahajan is not a material being. Material eye you cannot see. They give the eye. Yes. They give. Jnanam kimirandasya, jnanandana salakaya, chakshurmilitam dena, asmishimili. That Guru Sadhu Mahadani opens the eye. So that eye you can see Sadhu, you can see Krishna. Is there devotee? If you are endowed with that eye or vision, then you can see. Otherwise you can see. You cannot see with this eye, material eye. You think you are this seer. Completely wrong. You are not this seer. They are seer. You are to be seen, but you put in the reverse way. I am the seer, they are to be seen. No. That's not right. You are not seer, they are seer. Krishna is seer. His dear devotee Sadhu Mahajan is seer. And you are to be seen. They cast their merciful glance on you. Your bad fortune gone. Good fortune arises. Yes. So they give eye. that eye you can see, otherwise I can see. So my revered spiritual master is such a Vaishnava sadhu. Krishna has sent him and specially empowered by Krishna. Krishna Shakti Vina Nuhita Pravartana, it is said. Without Krishna Shakti, it cannot be done. Who can inculcate Krishna consciousness unto this material, I say, conditioned souls? Especially, I was saying that thing, the Guru ordered, go to Western world and preach the science of Krishna consciousness in English language. Western world means gross materialists are there. Gross materialists are there. They have no Krishna consciousness, no God consciousness at all. So who can inculcate the Krishna consciousness today? Completely impossible. Krishna Shakti Vina Nuhita Pravartana. Unless one is empowered by Krishna Shakti, because Krishna Shakti Pushta Parikara. That is Guru Tattva. Who is Guru? Sadguru, Sri Guru. Pure Vaishnava Sadhu Mahadana is Krishna Shakti Pushta Parikara. He is Krishna's associate, eternal associate. He is nourished by Krishna Shakti. He is empowered by Krishna Shakti. Krishna Shakti Pushta Parikara. Krishna Shakti Vina Nuhita Pravartana. Without Krishna Shakti, nobody can do it. By his physical strength, his own strength. No, impossible. Who can do it? Impossible. So it is definite that there is no doubt in it that Srila Prabhupada was empowered by Krishna, empowered by Mahaprabhu, gotten full mercy of Krishna, Mahaprabhu, previous acharyas, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, all sadhu Mahaprabhu, full power. Power. Therefore he could do it. It was very short time at the some back end of life. Who could go? Western world. He went to the Western world. The back end of his life. The old man. All are afraid. Where shall I go? Completely strange land. I am a stranger. I am not known there. My friends are not there. No. Who will take care of me? All are afraid. Who will go? Nobody will go. But he went. There to carry out the order of his Guru and to fulfill the desire of Mahaprabhu. Prithivide observed Nagaradi Gram Sarvatra Padar Hoive Muranam. Mahaprabhu's manobhishta, Mahaprabhu's desire, Mahaprabhu's prophecy. My name will be preached. My teachings will spread throughout the world, all corners, Nagaradi Gram, all cities, towns, villages, all nook and corner of the world. Yes. Who did it? Who did it? Who fulfilled the desire of Mahaprabhu? Who fulfilled the desire of previous acharyas? That is Madhya Guru Pada Padma, my most revered spiritual master Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Ji Maharaj did it. Clear proof. He is such an empowered person. Otherwise nobody would have done so. In a very short time, within 10 years, he traveled all corners of the world 15 times and preached the science of Krishna consciousness. Without you see, this is the Westerners, gross materialists, how they have developed Krishna consciousness, how they have developed Krishna consciousness, how they have realized that they are Krishna Das, how they have developed Krishna consciousness. Now they are preaching, speaking about Krishna, then again loving service of Krishna, how they have done so. This is clear proof. Mahadvitaranam nunam guhinam dinachetam nisrasaya bhagavan nanyate kalpate kuchit. Oh Lord, this materialistic persons, very much attached to human heart. Their consciousness is very, very low, degraded consciousness. Therefore they have been suffering. O Lord, but you are so merciful, you send your own made material world. This sadhu mahajan, they go to doorstep of such a gruhi, such a householder, very much, too much attached to human heart, completely bereft of Krishna consciousness, in order to inculcate Krishna consciousness and him. No other purpose is there. No other purpose. This is mercy. Mahanta Swava ityate pama nija karjana hita jantarava. The Mahanta's nature of a Mahatma. He has no business to go to the doorstep of a materialistic person is to attach the householder, saying, I am mine, my home, heart, my wife, son, family. Why he goes? There is no other business, just to inculcate Krishna consciousness and to deliver it. This is the only purpose, no other. Na karma bandhanam dharma vaishnavanta vidyate vishnu anutaratam hi mukhyama aho marishna. Vaishnava has no birth, no karma bandhana, is not a conditional soul, no bondage of karma is there. He is the dear devotee of Krishna and Vishnu. Therefore, Vaishnava is free from karma bandhana, is free from bondage of karma, and he has no birth. And he appears and disappears as Krishna appears and disappears. Both the jivas, they take birth. Yes. At the time of birth, to stay in the womb of mother, Matakukhi is dukkha. It's a misery. Very painful situation. Yes. But Vaishnava doesn't touch it. Though apparently he comes. Accepting father and mother, he will come. Krishna appears here accepting father and mother. Vaishnava appears here accepting father and mother. He comes in the womb of the mother, but it doesn't get such pain there. All others, they get pain. Janma is not a dukkha, is not a, misery for him. He never gets pain. But others get pain. Yes, that's a fact. So therefore he has no karma bandhana, no janma, no karma bandhana, no birth, no bondage of work. He is free from it. So this is Vaishnava sadhu mahaja. Bhagavan jehena avirbhavati jehena pavitra. Vaishnava bhakti jehena pavitra. Say, the appearance of Bhagavan is all auspicious. Yes, all auspicious. Similarly, the appearance day of a Vaishnava, the dear devotee of Krishna, is all auspicious, as auspicious as the appearance day of Krishna. You understand? Moreover, Bhagavan is very, very merciful, Paramadaya. But his dear devotee, Sadhu Vaishnava, is more merciful than Bhagavan. More merciful than Bhagavan. Yes, that's the fact. Krishna Samya Hoita Hai Para Bhakta Pada. Nobody will be equal to Krishna. He is supreme. Mafta Parapara Nanya Kinchit Asti Dhananjaya said this thing in Gita. O Dhananjaya Arjuna, there is nobody superior to me. Everybody is his Kinkara, his Das, his servant, his supreme Ishvara. Ekali Ishvara Krishna are Sabhritya. Krishna is Parameshwara, all others are. Everybody else, all are his servants. Nobody is Amargatattva, nobody will be equal to him, nobody will be superior to him. But Krishna Samya Hoita Hai Pada Bhakta Pada. If you become his Bhakta, his devotee, very dear devotee, Sarvarman Pritejya Mamekam Saranam Braja, abandoning all the rights of dharma, just surrender unto me. If you carry out, if you can understand this instruction, most concluding instruction of Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. That is his benediction to you. What more benediction you want? You expect from Krishna than this. This best benediction he has offered to you. Sarvadharma paitejya mamekam saranam vraja. Abandoning all vraja dharma, just surrender me. Become my boss. Nothing else is required. Then you become very dear to him. Bhakta vascholo, Bhagavan. His devotee is very dear to Bhagavan. Yes, Bhakta vascholo. Therefore, Krishna Samya hoite hoye for Bhakta pada. You become his dear devotee, completely surrender. Krishna will give you greater position, superior position than he. Yes. Otherwise, you have no adhikar at all. You have no adhikar that you can occupy such a superior position. No. If you become his dear devotee, completely surrender, you carry out, you can understand. There's the last instruction, most concluding instruction, best benediction he confers on you. Just accept it. Very pleased. Yes, this person has understood. He deserves my mercy. He deserves my mercy. Yes, he has understood. He has gotten my benediction. Yes. Sarvadharma paitejya mamekam saranam vraja. Abandon all the rest of them, just surrender. Krishna, he becomes very intimate to Krishna, such a devotee, Vaishnava. Krishna gives him better position, superior position. Yes. न तथा में प्रियतम आत्मजोनि न शंकर न शंकर्षण न श्री नैवात्मा तथा भगवान yes धव आत्मजोनि ब्रह्मा is not so dear to me, Shankar Shiva is not so dear to me, my brother Shankarsana is not so dear to me, my wife Lakshmi is not so dear to me, my soul is not so dear to me, Naivatma, my soul is not so dear, I am not so dear to me. Yeah, you are dear, oh no, the Bhakta is so dear. Dearer than his own soul, Krishna's soul. The Bhakta is so dear. Bhakta is crying, devotee is crying for Krishna. More wonderful that Krishna is crying for his devotee. Yes. Crying more. How are you crying? How can you cry? Are you crying for Krishna? No more. But how Krishna is crying for his dear devotee, you cannot understand. This is wonderful. Most wonderful thing. And Srimad Bhagavatam says this. Yes. You understand. This thing. Therefore he sends his dear devotee to this material world to preach the science of Krishna consciousness. Go and preach. Yes. Because jivas are his children. Krishna is Supreme Father. Krishna's heart pains. Krishna's heart pains. Seeing his children are suffering because of devoid of Krishna consciousness. He cannot tolerate. Cannot tolerate. He has made all arrangements for you. Think it very deeply, seriously you can understand. If you are a thoughtful man, person, with good consciousness, he made all arrangements. He gave Veda Purana, where it is said. And to understand Tattva what Veda Purana said, he sent his own man, Guru, his bona fide representative, his very dear intimate, associate, Nija Jana, his own man, to preach this science of Krishna. Otherwise you cannot understand this science. And in the form of Paramatma, he is in your heart. He has not deserted you. You have deserted him. You have forgotten him. Krishna has never forgotten him. He is always with you. You runs behind him. He runs behind you. You should understand. He has made all this arrangement. How merciful is he? What he is doing. Because it is very painful to him to see his children are suffering. And makes all arrangements. Unless such sadhu comes, Vaishnava comes, his own man, very dear associate, comes here, preaches the science of Krishna, how they'll develop Krishna consciousness. Impossible. That makes a lot of sense. Krishna's own man, Mahaprabhu's own man, Madhya Guru Pada Padma, my revered spiritual master, Sri Srimadesi Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada Maharaj, descended here, preach the science of Krishna consciousness. Take today one book, Life History, Holy Life History we have printed. We have printed abridged form, and for centennial celebration we are going to celebrate his 100-year birth centenary. For that purpose we have printed another smaller book also. Today, please take one book, read his biography, his life history, the Vaishnava. You can understand what he has done, how he has suffered from it. Yes, he suffers. Vaishnava suffers. Why he suffers? Because he loves it. Because of love. Unless you love, how can you suffer? Mother has love for children, his child, his baby, that's what mother suffers. Who suffers? Who suffers? The Vaishnava suffers, yes. Yes. Because he has love for Krishna. Krishna is my most beloved. Krishna is the object of my love. Krishna is, he's zero. Therefore he has love. If you can't have love for Krishna, then you can love one and all. Otherwise, there's no question of love at all. Yes. No love. If I have not developed love for Krishna, because Krishna Samandha is only relationship to Krishna. Only one Samandha, all related to Krishna, is most beloved. This is love. If you can develop this love, how can you love one and all? You devoid of this love, how can you love one and all? You cannot love. Therefore, raga dvesa is here in this material world, liking and disliking, hatred. You are in bodily consciousness. You love this body. Those who are related to the body, your wife, son, daughter, brothers, countrymen or same group or that, you love them. Those are not related to this body and not. Your family or group or that, you hate them. So there is raga, dvesa, liking and disliking, love and hatred. Not true love here. Unless you develop Krishna prema, love of Krishna, you cannot love one and all. This is the only thing. How one can love one and all? If you say Krishna Samandha, relationship of Krishna is the object of love, then you love one and all. No possibility at all. Therefore, Prabhupada Maharaj has said that thing. If he set up this society for Krishna consciousness, international society for Krishna consciousness, yes. He has said, expressed, I set up this society, this will be society of Vaishnavas. Society of Vaishnavas, true Vaishnavas. Where there will be no envy. Yes. Where there will be no envy. Vaishnavas are not envious, demons are envious. Vaishnava, true Vaishnava sees one relationship, the relationship with Krishna. It's the object of love. Everybody, every object, everything related to Krishna, everything belongs to Krishna. So how can we be envious of it? Demons are envious, but Vaishnavas are not envious. It's true Vaishnava. Develop true, complete Krishna consciousness. You see Krishna Samandha everywhere. Only lessons, how will be? Yes, no question of envy. This is Prabhupada's words. He has expressed in his book, Bhagavata Purport. There is no envy. Of course, it is his language. It is not possible. It is not so easy that everybody can develop Krishna consciousness. Still, this will be such a society an exemplary society where there is no envy at all. This Vaishnavas will teach this thing by their own setting of example, by their own activity, behavior. If it will not be like that, will you be happy? Founder Acharya of ISKCON, we are going to celebrate centennial. Is 100 years birth centenary. He is looking at you, he sees, observes everything. If he can see his purpose is fulfilled, he will be very, very happy. This is the proper centennial celebration, I say. Otherwise, what is the value of centennial celebration if you can fulfill his desire? Huh? Cannot fulfill his desire. There is no envy at all. You understand? Love and friendship will be there. You understand? Then you will be very, very happy. This is the proper centennial celebration. Otherwise, if you see this purpose is not fulfilled, you will not be happy at all. You may be doing so many things, but the real purpose is not fulfilled. I will be happy. Maybe all externals, all externals, all externals. So this is what I say. Now I will ask others to glorify Prabhupada. Vaishnava Gunavan Karle Divar Pran Suyachi Sadhu Guru Mukhe. I have heard this from Mahasi Sadhu Guru. If you glorify Vaishnava, the Bhagavan, Lord will very much pleased. He is dividing glorified. And he will get his mercy, get all mercy of the Sadhu Vaishnava, then he will very easily deliver from the clutches of Maya. Life will be successful. Thank you. Jai Srila Prabhupada Maharaj Ki Jai. Gurudev Kripa Bindu Diya Karo Ye Dasi Unapeksha Hoti Dina Kripa Bindu Diya Kripa Bindu Diya Karo Ye Dasi Unapeksha Hoti Dina Gurudev Kripa Bindu Diya Bolo diya karo Nijamane Pruhahi Bolo soni Bolo diya karo Nijamane Pruhahi no Sakala soni Bolo diya karo Nijamane Pruhahi no Sakala soni Bolo diya karo Nijamane Pruhahi no Dev Kripa Bindu diya Karo Ye Dase Unapeksha Hoti Dina Dev Kripa Bindu diya Karo Ye Dase Unapeksha Hoti Dina Sakale Sammanu Karite Sakati Yonatho Jothago Tho Sakale Sammanu Karite Sakati Yonatho Jothago Tho Sakale Sammanu Karite Sakati Yonatho Jothago Tho Sakale Sammanu Karite Sakati Abe to gaibo Hari Namo Sukhe Aparadho hobe hoto Abe to gaibo Hari Namo Sukhe তবে তো গাইব হরিনাম সুখে অপরাধ হবে হত। তবে তো গাইব হরিনাম সুখে হবে হেন কৃপা লবিয়া এ জন দাস হইবে নাথ। হবে হেন কৃপা লবিয়া এ জন প্রতিবোধীন আমি অতি দীন পরমরে আত্মসাথ। প্রতিবোধীন আমি অতি দীন পরমরে আত্মসাথ। প্রতিবোধীন আমি অতি দীন পরমরে আত্মসাথ। প্রতিবোধীন কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া কর এই দাসে শোনাপেক্ষা অতিহীন। কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া কর এই দাসে শোনাপেক্ষা অতিহীন। সকল কহনে বল দিয়া করু নিজ মানে প্রভাহীন। সকল কহনে বল দিয়া করু নিজ মানে প্রভাহীন। যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাই পাই তোমার করুণা পারো। 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 করুণা না হইলে কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া করুণা রাখিব আরো। করুণা না হইলে কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া করুণা রাখিব আরো। করুণা না হইলে কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া করুণা রাখিব আরো। কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া কর এই দাসে শোনাপেক্ষা অতিহীন। কৃপা বিন্দু দিয়া কর এই দাসে সকল কহনে বল দিয়া করু নিজ মানে প্রভাহীন। সকল কহনে বল দিয়া করু নিজ মানে প্রভাহীন। সকল কহনে বল দিয়া করু নিজ মানে প্রভাহীন। সকল কহনে বল দিয়া করু নিজ মানে प्रभुपाद महाराज की। भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की जय। इस्कॉन फाउंडराचार्य श्रील प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की जय। प्रभुपाद महाराज की शुभाविर्भाव तिथि की जय। दास पूजा महामहोत्सव की जय। এইবারও করুণা করো বৈষ্ণব